Area 51 Outer Banks Akins Ford Bronco with a big 2.7 liter engine. So you know we threw them 37s on the Apex. Let's review. I just filmed a customer's Area 51, Miss Jan Gray's. We did 35s on it with a 2-inch. So here's another variation, and you can tell that it's not been cleaned up, but this was purposeful because I had to come out back to our proving grounds because we're on 37s. Because Real Deal just couldn't justify or be cool with a 37 review, even a short one, on the concrete. Had to be out here, y'all, in its elements. And the 37s just got through doing a test drive. I love it. It has a great feel. Yes, it's a good bit bigger and it feels bigger, but while driving, it's not too substantial. It's not too much, if that makes sense. So man or woman, child or adult would drive this with confidence. And Madison Akins and I were just talking that we don't feel prone for rollover in these, especially when we go a little bit wider on our wheel and tire combo. It just has a good, safe, agile, refined feel to it. The independent suspension, front and rear, is a big part of that, and for good reason, because Ford took their time to make sure that this was a Jeep killer to their best possible liking. So 3-inch foil parts coilover lift on 37s, and we're mile to wild scale. We're 17 by 9 plus 1. So the mile to wild scale on the plus 1 has us sticking out a good 3.5 inches. We're right in the middle on the mile to wild scale. It's just enough, and the Fuel Syndicate is a new wheel from Fuel. Has a perfect off-road vibe to it. I love the simulated beadlock look with just an off-road appeal to it. The Ridge Grappler tire was our choice because we just know it looks aggressive but rides really well. Did infab steps. Just again, a tried and true, good functional step bar. There's a good look at your upper control arm from 4-wheel parts. Important for that component, and a full true coilover kit, front and rear. A modified crash bar there for you. And coming back for a rear mile to wild scale look. Yes, sir. I love the stance on this one. Let me know in the comments, please, y'all, what you think. Also, a soft top is a legit setup for the summertime. It is approaching very fast, so it'll be great to take that off and truly enjoy it. And this is available today as of April 1st. This is not an April Fool's, y'all. A full parts rear track bar there. And see if I can get you a better look at the coilover. Let's see. There we go. Somewhat, y'all. And then the side shot, which I love so much. There she sits on 37s. Now this one's now about to go to dentist to do paint protection film and window tint, but this is our entry level, I guess you would say, Apex edition. It's a higher price point because of the coilover kit versus the spacer kit, but it's a pretty maxed out Outer Banks in general as well, with the big engine and other great options. So I'll show you on the inside. You've got a nice similar bluish color on your door and dash components with a mixture of gray throughout, and even on your seats also, that bluish green color with the gray. Looking great. They call it navy, and here is our window sticker, MLA 93596. Pause here for the factory options there, and we'll put some more information about our final price from Willies at Akins here in Winder, Georgia. Big 12-inch touchscreen and lots of convenience and safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, and more. We don't have this issue with the 35, but definitely with the 37, we need a additional third brake light option. So we use essentially we're using the Jeep part number to do that Jeep ring that we've done for so long, because we've been a Jeep dealership for longer than the Bronco's been out as of late. So when we do Jeep customizations, we like to incorporate this third brake light ring if we do 2 bolsters of a tire size. So typically that top third brake light works fine on the 35s, but the 37s, the ring just looks awesome to me, y'all. Let me know what you think about that. The 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine is more than adequate. It puts a smile on your face and pulls the 37s with no problem. The gloss black grille, the body color, mirrors, door handles, and side fenders are unique to the Outer Banks package, and I like the way it truly looks. There's many more options you could add to this, so whoever ends up buying this one will definitely just help educate them on ways to improve their Bronco with us right here at Akins and Wild Willies. You know, I am your boy, Real Deal Neal, and we got a lot of Bronco action going on. I feel like we are the premier and leader as far as custom builds. We've probably done, I would say, nearly 40 or more Bronco custom builds since their inception. And that's pretty strong for a dealership, especially with inventory shortages. But we've got so many great resources and customers that want to get and have some part of the Willies custom action, y'all. So thank y'all so much for wanting to be unique and elevate your ride with us. That means everything. Hit that subscribe button if you love our content. We're mostly a F-150 dealership, but we haven't had many F-150s. But just know that once those become plentiful again, which we'll have influx of some coming in pretty soon, that we will definitely dive deep and get back to our roots of our Covert Edition trucks. And the Overland style vehicles is going to see more of that from us as well. All things considered, we are your source, y'all. So stay tuned for more from us. I'm your boy Real Deal. Peace out.